What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Happy New Year. Day 2, January 2nd, 2024. I hope you're having a marvelous day. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, if you want to check out all the opportunities that I'm a part of, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. Check them out, see what I got going on. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to do a quick update because people have been asking a lot, and I see this in a lot of different groups and Facebook groups and posts that I'm a part of. How to get leads fast, or how can they get traffic to their opportunity without doing social media or any other advertising of their own, right? Because there's different types of people, right? There's people that have a lot of time and a little bit of money, or there's people that's got no time and a lot of money, right? And there's kind of folks that like to balance it both out. Me personally, I like to do free advertising and paid advertising. I've always done that since I've learned digital marketing and how to market online. Okay, I have the resources and I know where to go to get these things. So this is I'm going to show you a page I've been showing you for a while, but I'm also going to show you proof that I actually use the service as well. All right, so let me show you a resource that you can use to get leads pretty fast, pretty immediately to your opportunity that you're trying to promote. All right, so let's go take a look here. Right here. Okay, we've been talking about this. We've been talking and talking and talking and talking. Because without leads, traffic going to your opportunity, guys, you are not in business. Okay, that's key. I don't care what you're promoting, where you're selling coffee, t-shirts, you're a barbershop, you're a hair salon, whatever you've got out there. If you don't get people to the opportunity, the business, you have no business. That's facts. Okay, ask anybody that's even got a brick and mortar. If nobody's walking through that door, they have no business. They're not making money. They're just sitting there. Okay, and then online is the same thing. We have an online business, and if we don't have people going to that opportunity, checking it out often, every day, we're not collecting leads, we're not getting sales. Okay, so here is a resource. I've been talking about this. Here's a resource that you can check out. I put the link in the description. Go check it out, right? And it tells you here on this opportunity, what do you need? This is a solo ad service. This is a service. You need a squeeze page, a opt-in page. You need an offer. What are you promoting? All right. And a follow-up. Okay. Some type of follow-up system. Because advertising is a numbers game. Okay. Now, we talked about using US only traffic for our direct mail program, because our direct mail program is only in the US. It's not for any folks outside the US. So if you have a direct mail program, you want to use US only traffic, people that's only in the US. Okay, and it's still affordable for everybody. Okay, $90 will get 200 visitors to your website. Okay, that's not a guarantee of sales, but they're guaranteeing you that we will send 200 people to your website. Okay, 100% US traffic, and 10% over. They will over deliver an extra 10%. They send you a tracking link so you can see live traffic. Okay, and how many clicks are going through and all that stuff. You'll get a tracking link. Now, for those of you that have, like myself, also global opportunities, okay, like my copy paste method system or any of those digital programs that I'm promoting, they're all global. You can work those opportunities anywhere in the world, from anywhere in the world. You can use these other two traffic sources, packages. The quality tier 1 traffic, 68 for as low as $68, you can get 200 visitors over to your website. And then the quality unique traffic, $58 as low as. Okay, so you see as low as 58 up to 675, as low as 68 up to 800. And then if you just want US only, then $90 as low as up to 1,075. All right, so this is where you want to go. It only takes and I'm going to show you where I just ordered traffic on yesterday. Okay, on the 1st. Okay, because like I tell you, I do free advertising and paid advertising. Okay, they'll send you an email when the traffic starts with a tracking link. You know when it starts, you know when it's over. When they've sent all the traffic, they'll send you a notification email for that as well. All right, now, but you're gonna need a capture page before you order this traffic. You need a page like this. What is a capture page? See, a page that's asking for at least the email. Okay, you may see some that say name, email. You may just see some that ask for the email. The email is important. I mean, the name is fine, but we need an email. So you need a capture system. Now, I'll put the link below for this one. Well, when you go to getpaidfromhome.info, you can get access to this. This system is only $19.95 a month. Why you would want this one? This is for some folks that say, I don't want to have to even try to figure out how to create a funnel. These funnels are already done for you. Okay, they already have templates already there. Just pick a template. Okay, they even have templates for specific programs. You may be in a program that they already have a template for with the email autoresponder already created. All right, so go to that link, www.getpaidfromhome.info, and check it out if you need a capture page system. But this is what you need first and foremost before you even order your traffic. All right, but this is a fast way to get your business off to a fast start, getting leads, getting people looking at your opportunity right away. All right, so go check it out. Again, you can get traffic for as low as $58, guys. Set a budget for yourself. What is your budget going to be monthly or weekly, whatever your situation is? And so there's no excuses. So for people that, hey, I don't have time to do promoting, oh, I don't want to do it, okay? Because there's time. You can set out 30 minutes a day. But there's people that just really don't want to be bothered with any of that. Even if you give them the blueprint, hey, just copy these images, copy this information, they just don't want to deal with it. But they've got a little money. They'd rather spend the money. That's fine too, right? But they've got to have a system right here, a capture page marketing system to send people to. Okay, so this system can follow up with your folks with the email autoresponder. All right, guys, so let me just show you where I placed an order for mine yesterday. All right, as you can see right here, I used PayPal. Okay, and here's my $58. It's showing my receipt, pretty much where I spent the $58. All right, for my package. All right, guys. All right, and you see right here, there's the 58 because I purchased a 200-click solo traffic package. Okay, and see right here, this is what comes up after you make that payment. This pops up and it says, thank you for your purchase. Please submit your affiliate link /URL and information below to get your order processed and set up. Only submit once per order or your order will take longer to process. Your order will begin within 12 to 72 hours and you will receive an email from us with a tracking link to follow the campaign. Okay, guys? That's how that will work. So you will click this green button here, and that's when you're going to give them your capture page link that goes with this page, whatever your page is. Okay? And that's where they're going to send the traffic. So when they do their email, folks will have to go here, enter their information to see the opportunity. Okay, so you've got to have a capture page. Again, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info, and they will ask you, do you want a page like this? And you can pay the $19.95, and you'll see all the templates of various templates that they already have you can plug right into. Okay, so you've got to have a capture page. But this is a great way to go ahead and get your business off to a fast start using this traffic source. All right, guys, so go check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Happy New Year.